Welcome to this brief guide on how to download YouTube videos for offline playback. Are you getting ready for a long trip and dreading the thought of watching hours of content on your small phone screen? Many of us with YouTube Premium are used to downloading videos to our phones or tablets, and that's great. But your laptop has a bigger, better screen just waiting to become your personal in-flight cinema. So what if you could easily use that beautiful laptop screen to watch all your favorite YouTube content, even at 30,000 feet and with no Wi-Fi? Well, that's exactly what this tutorial is for. I'm going to show you step by step how to use your YouTube Premium subscription to download videos directly to your computer. Let's get your in-flight entertainment sorted. All right, let's start. For this demonstration, I need some high-quality content to download for our imaginary long flight. Now, I could search for a blockbuster movie or a really popular YouTube creator, but let's be honest, who's more entertaining than me? Just kidding. I'm going to download some of my own videos for this demonstration. It's a bold choice, I know, but it guarantees I'll like the content. So, here we are on my channel page. Firstly, every flight needs some long-form content to really eat up the time. I'm going to pick one of my longer videos here to act as our main event. Let's choose this one here. Now, to save it for our flight, we simply move the mouse below the video player and click on that all-important download button. The moment you click it, this pop-up window appears. This is where we choose the video quality, and it's a crucial step for ensuring we get a great experience on our bigger laptop screen. Let's break it down. At the top, you have Full HD 1080p. This is your premium best case scenario. It gives you that crystal clear, sharp image that looks fantastic on a laptop, but it does use the most storage space. Next is HD 720p. This is the sweet spot for most people. It's still high definition, looks brilliant on a laptop, but the file size is much more manageable. Overall, it's a great all-rounder. And at the bottom, we have Standard 480p. This uses the least amount of space, which is its main advantage. Now, while this is fine for a phone, on a laptop you will probably notice it looks a bit soft or fuzzy. It's best for content where the visuals are not critical. For this video, I'd say it deserves to be seen in its full glory. I've got plenty of space on my laptop, so I'm going to select Full HD 1080p. Once I click that, the download starts. You can see the icon changes to show the progress, and then will become a downloaded tick once it's saved. Okay, that's our main video sorted. Now, let's head back to the channel page and I'll show you how you can easily repeat this process to build a whole offline library for your trip. Imagine you follow a video podcast with multiple episodes, or perhaps you're flying to Italy and want to download a collection of travel vlogs about Rome. You just go to each video and repeat this following process using the ellipsis menu that is shown when you hover over the video thumbnail. Click Download, choose your quality, and then let it save. To show you, I'll just grab a couple more of my own videos here, such as this one and this one, to build up our library for the flight. It's that simple. So, let's imagine all of our downloads are now complete. Where do we find them? YouTube has created a special offline library right inside the YouTube website for this. Over on the far left of the YouTube screen is the main navigation panel. We're going to find the U section, which is where your personal content is organized. Inside this submenu, you'll see Downloads. Let's click on that. And here is our custom-built in-flight entertainment library. It's a collection of only the finest videos available on the platform, if I do say so myself. You can see the long-form video that we downloaded first, plus the other two shorter videos that we grabbed, all waiting for us. But now is where the real test comes in. Let's simulate being on that plane. I'm going to go to my computer's settings here and turn off the Wi-Fi. My laptop is now completely offline, but that won't stop us from enjoying our content. Because we're in the Downloads library, and I can simply click on any of these videos and it loads instantly. I can skip ahead, I can pause, I can put it into glorious full screen. There's no buffering and no interruptions. This is the premium big screen experience that we wanted for our flight. Okay, and now the flight is over, you've landed safely, and you've enjoyed all of your videos. Now it's a good practice to do some housekeeping and clear that space from your laptop's hard drive. Here we are back on that Downloads page. Let's say we wanted to remove one of these videos. I'll simply move my mouse cursor over its thumbnail and you'll see those 3 vertical dots for the More menu appear. Give that guy a click. This brings up a very small menu, and the option we need is right there, Remove from Downloads. Now be sure to remember that there is no Are you sure pop-up here. One click and it's instantly removed from your library and your hard drive. It's that simple. But what if you've watched everything and you just want to clear the whole lot? You can do that easily too. At the top of the Downloads page is the Settings button. If we go in there, you'll see the Delete All Downloads button. This is your master control to wipe the entire library at once, which is incredibly useful for a quick cleanup after your trip, so your laptop is ready for your next task. Now this last section of the video is going to be all about making things even easier for your next trip by fine-tuning some of your settings. The most useful feature here is the default download quality. If you know that for your laptop you always want that great balance of quality and file size, you could set HD 720p as your default. By doing this, the next time you're preparing for a trip, you can just click the download button and it will automatically start with your preferred quality, which helps skip that pop-up window every single time. It's a super small change, but it can really speed up the process of building out your library. I'll set mine to HD 720p as my new standard. Now, let's look at another really clever feature on this page called Smart Downloads. If you turn this on, YouTube will automatically download a selection of recommended videos for you based on your watch history. It does this quietly in the background when your laptop is connected to Wi-Fi and YouTube is open, so you don't have to do a thing. The benefit of this is obviously amazing. Imagine you're rushing out the door to catch your train to work and you realize you forgot to download anything. With Smart Downloads enabled, you can simply open your laptop during your commute and find that YouTube has already prepared a fresh playlist of content for you, ready and waiting to be watched offline. It's like having a personal assistant for your entertainment. You can enable and disable it at any time with this simple toggle. And finally, just to remind you, here is that powerful Delete All Downloads button. It's your one-click solution for a total post-trip cleanup, located right here in your download settings. And there you have it. Your laptop is now a powerful offline cinema, perfect for that long flight, a daily train commute, or anytime you're away from a reliable internet connection. No more settling for the small screen. You're all set to travel like a pro. So go ahead, open YouTube right now and download a video to your computer. Get a feel for it before your next trip. Now, if you don't have YouTube Premium yet, you can sign up by clicking the YouTube Premium link in the left-hand navigation menu on YouTube, or by simply visiting youtube.com/premium. There's often a free trial available if you are a new user. Safe travels, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel. And if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.